Hi, today let's make quick, simple and easy garlic rice ready in 10 minutes. Now in a pestle add in some garlic cloves, add in Kashmiri chilli powder and salt and make a chutney like this and keep it aside. This is the heart of the garlic rice. Now in a pan add in some cumin seeds, and once the cumin seeds splatters, add in some hing and curry leaves. Give it a good mix till everything is crispy and mixed well. Now I'm adding in some chopped onions and give it a good mix. Here don't brown the onions, we just need to turn the onions mushy, and then I'm adding in the garlic chutney. Give it a good mix till the raw smell goes. Next I'm adding in some spring onions and garlic stems. Both of them are easily available in any supermarket or vegetable market. Garlic stems gives a kick to this recipe. Toss it really very well. Next I'm adding in some boiled and cooked basmati rice. I've added in a little bit of salt while cooking the basmati rice, so later you can check for the salt again. I'm adding in some garlic stems, adding in some coriander leaves, adding in some spring onions. Next I'm adding in fried brown onions. So usually we make this for biryani. That kind of, you need to fry the onions till it turns brown. Let's add in some lemon juice and give it a good toss. This recipe is very quick, very easy, but yet flavorful. This will turn out to be better than the normal fried rice or any kind of Szechuan fried rice or anything of that sort. Salt was less, so I've added in some more extra salt and giving it a good toss. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are in the description box below. Don't forget to make it and comment below. Don't forget to like, follow, share and subscribe. Enjoy!